The pomegranate is often referred to as the fruit of paradise due to its visual appeal and health benefits. Close-up shots highlight the beauty of the pomegranate seeds. Pomegranates are not only aesthetically pleasing but also offer various health advantages. This beneficial fruit can be easily cultivated at home, making it accessible to many. Various pomegranate varieties are available, including Wonderful, Ganesh, Bagua, and Ruby. Selecting the right variety is crucial for successful pomegranate cultivation. It is important to choose a disease-resistant variety to minimize potential problems. Consider the local climate when selecting a pomegranate variety. Matching the variety to the climate enhances growth and fruit production. Pomegranates require warm, dry climates to thrive. These conditions are typically found in specific regions around the world. Pomegranate plants need a minimum of 6 hours of direct sunlight each day. Adequate sunlight is crucial for fruit development and optimal yield. Pomegranate seeds can be used for propagation. Drying the pomegranate seeds for a day or two is recommended before sowing. The drying process aids in preparing the seeds for successful germination. While seed propagation is possible, cuttings are often the preferred method. Cuttings may offer a more reliable and faster propagation outcome compared to seeds. Cutting propagation is a method of asexual plant reproduction. A section of a parent plant, known as a cutting, is used to generate a new, independent plant. The cutting is typically a stem, leaf, or root segment. This method allows for the creation of genetically identical copies of the parent plant. Compared to growing from seeds, cuttings often result in faster growth and earlier fruiting. This is because the cutting bypasses the initial seedling stage. The foundation of successful potting lies in preparing a well-draining soil mix. A recommended soil mix consists of equal parts garden soil, compost, and sand or cocoa peat. Garden soil provides structure and nutrients to the plants. Compost enriches the soil with organic matter, improving fertility and water retention. Sand or cocoa peat enhances drainage, preventing waterlogging and root rot. Select a medium-sized pot, approximately 16-20 inches deep, for planting a pomegranate sapling. Ensure the pot is suitable for home gardening and provides adequate space for root development. Prepare the pot with appropriate soil mix to support healthy growth of the pomegranate sapling. Carefully plant the pomegranate sapling in the prepared pot, ensuring proper depth and support. Young pomegranate plants require regular watering to establish strong root systems. Water the plants 2 to 3 times per week during their initial growth stages. The frequency of watering should be adjusted based on environmental conditions and soil type. Ensure the soil around the plants remains slightly moist to the touch. Avoid overwatering, as soggy soil can lead to root rot and other issues. Proper watering practices are crucial for the healthy development of young pomegranate plants. Established pomegranate plants require less frequent watering than newly planted ones. Reduce watering to approximately once a week for established plants. This reduced frequency helps prevent overwatering, which can be detrimental. Overwatering can lead to root rot and other moisture-related issues in pomegranate plants. Regular fertilization is crucial for healthy pomegranate plant growth and fruit production. Pomegranate plants benefit from fertilization approximately every 3 months. Organic compost is an excellent choice for providing essential nutrients. Cow dung is another suitable organic fertilizer option. Vermicompost can also be used to nourish pomegranate plants. These organic fertilizers supply the necessary elements for optimal plant health and fruit development. Fertilizing during the flowering stage is crucial for optimal fruit development. Specific nutrients, like potassium, are especially important at this stage. Bone meal can be added to the soil to provide a boost of essential nutrients. Banana peels are also a good source of potassium for plants. Applying these fertilizers supports healthy flowering and fruit production. Pruning is the selective removal of plant parts to improve overall health and productivity. The process involves cutting away weak, dead, or diseased branches. Removing crossing branches is also crucial for proper air circulation. Pruning allows sunlight to penetrate the plant's center, promoting growth. This practice enhances fruit production and the plant's structural integrity. Pruning is typically performed after harvesting to maximize the plant's recovery and future yield. Neem oil spray is a natural and safe solution for garden pest control. A mixture of neem oil and water can be prepared for spraying. Regular application every 15 days helps prevent pest infestations. Neem oil is effective against common garden pests like aphids. It also helps in preventing fruit borers from damaging plants. The pomegranate plant enters its flowering stage, a crucial period for fruit development. Flowering typically begins within 8 to 10 months from cuttings or around 2 years from seed. The plant produces bright orange-red flowers, signaling the onset of fruit formation. These vibrant flowers will eventually develop into the pomegranate fruits. The process begins with flowers, which are the reproductive structures of the plant. Over a period of 5 to 6 months, these flowers undergo a transformation. They gradually develop into round fruits, increasing in size as they mature. During this growth, the fruits also experience a change in color, indicating their ripening stage. Pomegranates are ready for harvest when their skin turns a deep red color. The skin should also feel slightly hard to the touch, indicating ripeness. Use pruning shears for a clean and precise cut. Cut the fruit gently to avoid damaging the pomegranate tree's branches. Proper harvesting techniques ensure the health and productivity of the tree for future harvests. Freshly harvested pomegranates require proper storage to maintain quality. Pomegranates can be stored in a cool, dry environment for short-term preservation. This method allows for storage of up to approximately 2 weeks. Refrigeration is recommended for extending the freshness of pomegranates. Refrigeration slows down the fruit's natural degradation process. Proper refrigeration significantly prolongs the usable lifespan of pomegranates. Pomegranate seed extraction involves separating the arils from the fruit's interior. The arils are the juicy, seed-containing sacs that are the edible part of the pomegranate. Extraction typically begins by scoring the pomegranate's outer skin into sections. The fruit is then gently broken apart to reveal the clusters of arils inside. Arils can be scooped out manually or submerged in water to separate them from the surrounding membrane. Extracted pomegranate seeds are versatile for culinary applications, adding flavor and texture to various dishes. Pomegranate seeds can be consumed fresh as a standalone snack. They can be blended into juice for a refreshing beverage. Pomegranate seeds add a burst of flavor and texture to salads. They can be incorporated into various desserts for added sweetness and visual appeal. Pomegranate seeds offer versatility in both sweet and savory culinary applications. Pomegranates are rich in antioxidants, which are compounds that protect cells from damage. Antioxidants combat free radicals, unstable molecules that can cause cellular aging and various health issues. Pomegranates contain approximately 3 times more antioxidants than green tea. This high antioxidant content contributes to slowing down the aging process and promoting overall health. Regular pomegranate consumption can positively impact cardiovascular health. Pomegranates may contribute to reducing levels of bad cholesterol in the bloodstream. Lowering bad cholesterol helps to prevent plaque buildup in arteries. Pomegranate consumption is associated with improved blood flow and circulation. Enhanced blood flow ensures efficient oxygen and nutrient delivery to the heart. These combined effects can lower the overall risk of developing heart disease. Pomegranates contain nutrients that can strengthen the immune system. Vitamin C is one of the key components in pomegranates that supports immune function. Polyphenols, a type of antioxidant, are also abundant in pomegranates. These compounds work together to enhance the body's natural defenses. Pomegranates contain a significant amount of dietary fiber, Fiber is essential for maintaining a healthy digestive system. Adequate fiber intake promotes regular bowel movements. This helps to prevent constipation and other digestive issues. The fiber in pomegranates adds bulk to the stool. This facilitates the easier passage of waste through the intestines. Pomegranates contain antioxidants that can help fight acne. Antioxidants combat free radicals, reducing inflammation associated with acne. Pomegranates promote a natural glow by improving skin hydration. Improved hydration enhances skin elasticity and overall appearance. Pomegranate juice offers significant advantages for both physical and mental well-being. Regular consumption of pomegranate juice can positively impact overall health. Incorporating this juice into a routine a few times a week is beneficial. The juice's properties contribute to the body's optimal functioning. These benefits collectively enhance both physical and cognitive health.